Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn ads step by step clearly. To install LinkedIn ads, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager by clicking on the work icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Advertise. If this is your first time using LinkedIn ads, you will need to create an ad account. Click on the Create Account button. Fill in the required information, including your account name, and select your LinkedIn page. Once the account is created, you will be taken to the Campaign Manager dashboard. To start a new ad campaign, click on the Create Campaign button. Choose your campaign objective that aligns with your marketing goals. Options include awareness, consideration, and conversions. Select your target audience based on location, industry, and job title. Adjust additional targeting options to refine your audience further. Set your budget and bid strategy for the campaign. You can choose between a daily budget or a total budget for the campaign. Next, determine the ad format you want to use. Available formats include single image ads, video ads, and carousel ads. Upload your ad creative, ensuring to follow LinkedIn specifications for size and type. Fill in the required text fields, including the ad headline and description. Preview your ad to see how it will appear to your audience. After confirming that everything looks good, click on the Next button. Set your campaign schedule, choosing whether to run it continuously or for a specific period. Finally, review all the details of your campaign. Once satisfied, click on the Launch Campaign button to set your LinkedIn ads live. Monitor the performance of your ads through the Campaign Manager dashboard regularly. Make necessary adjustments based on performance analytics to optimize your campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.